MLB prize picks for Monday, May 13th. Hope you enjoyed your weekend. Did take Sunday off, but we are back and ready for more. I got two plays to start your week. To the intro, let's go to work. Real quick, before we dive into the DFS Army Prop Optimizer, if you're not on Prize Picks, Underdog, or Sleeper, use my promo code SNIPER. Get you a 100% deposit match up to $100 and 2 free months of DFS Army Props Package. That's where you get access to this tool right here, the DFS Army Prop Optimizer, and more picks and plays in the Discord tracker available, up a ton of units. I won't go through all of that this morning, but make sure you deposit on those sites and check it out, or just join the site. Code down below, SNIPER20 for 20% off. Michael Lorenzen, less than 5 strikeouts, is play number 1, and where I am looking to start our morning here over on Prize Picks projection model, 4.05. We are projecting him at just 4 strikeouts. I love that to start with. Odds base here. DraftKings, BetMGM have it at, and Caesars have it at minus 150 over 4.5. Still value because we get a push on 5, but you look over at FanDuel. FanDuel's got this at a straight pick 'em. I'll be interested to see what happened with the rest of the lines this morning. Right now, we average all those together, and you get under 4.5 being plus 109. The bump on 5 or the push on 5 helps, and the fact that I get the projection model is way under at 4.05. Then I extend out here using our last 5, 10, 15 tool. Some of the pitchers, because it's all games in here. This obviously is last season. So really his 5 starts this year from this mark. He has been under 3 times and over twice. So 3 and 2 in his last 5. Looks pretty good as well. One other thing I want to take a look at here is this is team strikeouts so far this season. Lorenzen is taking on Cleveland today. We sorted by strikeouts here. You can see Cleveland actually strikes out the 7th fewest times so far this season. So back to the Prop Optimizer. Lorenzen facing a team that does not strike out a lot. Our projection model has it down. He's been under 3 of the 5 games this season, and odds-based value with the push is one that we like. So that being said, let's head on over to Prize Picks and let's make our first play for this morning. Michael Lorenzen, less than 5 strikeouts. Head back on over to the Prop Optimizer real quick before I give you play number 2 on the MLB side. Let's take a look over this. Tool's got everything. Make sure you go check it out over NBA. Do a sneak peek here. Daniel Gafford is what's popping right now in terms of under 11.5 points and assists. That projection model is actually a little bit over. So I would probably pass on that. Take a look at Max Struss. Looks like he's 2-2-1 the last 5, under 5 rebounds, projection under, decent odds. Max Struss. If you're looking for an NBA play, a little sneak peek here, make sure you go and check out the tool, but that's where I would go. We got MLB, NHL is in there, college sports when they start back up, football's just counting down towards football, right, guys? Still a long MLB season to go. I can't say I don't love baseball too, just something about football, especially with this Prop Optimizer tool we destroyed last year. All right, play number 2. I really wish I had done a little bit more prep on the names here. But it's Shota Imanaga, and if I am butchering that last name, Imanaga. Shota Imanaga. Sometimes you want to get these out in the mornings and kind of skate by a name, not realizing, hey, you have to pronounce that in a little bit. All right, we're looking at more than 5 strikeouts. Same thing. We got all our odds right here. A little bit of juice towards the under, but the fact that we get a push on 5 provides the value in terms of the math here. Projection model, 5.42. Obviously, something else I'm looking at in this last 5 games that we can see on screen here. 3 wins, no losses, 1 push. Let's extend it out a little bit. Let's see how far we can go here. Looks like this 326 was a preseason game, so it's really from this April 1st start. It looks like we got 4 wins, 2 losses, 1 push. I could have not extended that out and, made it look even better, but 4 wins, 2 losses, 1 push is still pretty good here. Projection odds. Let's go take a look at that strikeout tool here. Imanaga is taking on Braves. My Mets got a walk-off yesterday. Going to try and keep me interested just long enough. That's what the Mets do. Looking for the Braves here. The Braves are actually 20. Okay, so the Braves are 22nd in the league in strikeouts right now, but they're really going to be a middle of the road matchup. They've only played 37 games so far this season. They're, one strikeout, 6 strikeouts behind teams who've got 43, 41, 40. They're going to go up this list. They're at least a middle of the road team, depending on how many strikeouts they have in a game. Probably, if you say they're going to strike out 4 to 5 times a game, which is, I think I'm being really generous with just 5 strikeouts a game if I look at the average here. So 5 strikeouts a game for the next 5 games would put them at 340, which would put them right where the Cardinals are for 42 games. They're probably middle of the road. It's a middle of the road matchup doing some quick math. So it's not a negative matchup despite what the overall totals say. That being said, I got my odds projection form that I had covered earlier. Checks enough boxes for me that I can head on over and find Shota Imanaga, who is at least one of the more popular plays here over on Prize Picks. That is interesting. We got our 2 plays for Monday morning. If you did not already, hit that like button for me. Make sure and join DFS Army, get all your promo codes, deposit matches, all that good stuff. And let's play Michael Lorenzen, less than 5 strikeouts, and Shota Imanaga, more than 5 strikeouts. Lock that in. That is the play for this morning. One more time, hit that like button. Here's that daily reminder. Let's get out of here today. Enjoy your week, but whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.